So good morning to all my dear friends. So today we discuss about session 4 from electromagnetic theory. Okay. So already we have to complete 3 section from the electromagnetic theory. If we want, link will be given in the description list. So once you have to follow that link, it should be useful for this video. Okay, we move on to the video. So unit 5, the electromagnetic theory. This is the 4th section of this unit. Okay. So okay. So already we have to discuss from the last 3 classes. One is Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law என்னன்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். Then second one electric field என்னன்னு பார்த்திருக்கோம். Then third one electric field. Then third one is a Gauss law பார்த்திருக்கோம். Then fourth one, then application of Gauss law. Okay. So then how to define Coulomb's law? That should be then F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 are two charges, then R is the square, then force is the directly proportional to the product of the charge and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Then how to define then electric field? Then E is equal to F by Q. F is the force, Q is the Newton, then unit is Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. Then how to define Gauss law? Then pi is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So what are the application? Two cases. One is infinite, then second one is parallel, then third one is spherical symmetric charge distribution. Spherical symmetric charge distribution. Okay. Then fourth one is internal point. Internal point is 0. Okay. Okay. Upon infinite now, then electric field is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. In parallel two cases, equal in magnitude and same direction, E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. In equal in magnitude and opposite direction, E is equal to 0. Okay. So these are all the topics we have to discuss in the last classes. Okay. Then Coulomb's law, then electric field, then Gauss law, then applications of Gauss law. Okay. Then two more also we have to discuss in the last classes. That should be then Poisson equation. How to define Poisson equation? Already by using the differential form we have to define. Then sixth one, Laplace equation. Okay. How to write Poisson equation? That should be then del square pi is equal to minus rho by epsilon naught. This is called Poisson equation. So in this so what is the Laplace equation? So here we have to take then rho is equal to 0, which is called then charge free region. Charge free region. So how to write? Then del square pi is equal to 0. Okay. So these are all the recap from the last 3 classes we discussed in the electromagnetic theory. One is Coulomb's law, electric field, then Gauss law, then application of Gauss law, then Poisson equation and Laplace equation. Okay. So are you understand? Good. So today we have to discuss the most important. There should be a Maxwell equation and their significant. Okay. Okay, good. So okay, so today we discuss about most important, that should be then Maxwell equation and their significance. Okay, and their significance. Okay, so this is the topic we discussed today, then Maxwell equation and their significance. Okay, upon there should be a four fundamental equation. Okay, four fundamental equation, four fundamental equation. This is the point number 1. So upon the four fundamental equation based upon the electromagnetism. Okay, that is the important. Electromagnetism is called Maxwell equation. Okay, so the four fundamental equation based upon the electromagnetism is called Maxwell equation. So how can write? By using differential form. Okay, so differential form. Okay, so there should be a four fundamental equation. Upper first one எப்படி எழுதலாம்? First one, that should be a differential form of Gauss law in electrostatics. Okay, that is the important, electrostatics. Then second one, differential form of Gauss law in magnetostatics. Okay, so how to write? Then differential form of Gauss law in electrostatics, then del dot D is equal to then rho or divergent D is equal to rho. So this is the first fundamental equation with respect to Gauss law in electrostatic. Next, then differential form of in magnetostatic, how to write? Then del dot B is equal to 0 or divergent B is equal to 0. Okay, are you understand? So today we have to discuss the Maxwell equation and their significance. There are four fundamental equations based upon the electromagnetism, which is called as Maxwell equation. So based upon the differential form, we have to write four fundamental equations. First one is differential form of Gauss law in electrostatics. Then second one, differential form of Gauss law in magnetostatics. Okay, good. Okay, but third one, differential form of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Then fourth one, Maxwell modification. Okay, Maxwell modification of Ampere's law. So how to write? Then differential form of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, then del cross E is equal to then minus dou B by dou T, or then curl of E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. So how to write the Maxwell modification of Ampere law? Then del cross H is equal to J plus then dou T by dou T. Okay, this is the four fundamental equation by using the Maxwell equation. Okay, what is the D na enna, rho na enna, B na enna and E na enna, then what is meant by H? Okay, okay, good. அப்போ ஓகே, Dன்றது என்னது? எலக்ட்ரிக் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட். ஓகே, electric displacement. What is the unit for electric displacement? That should be coulomb per meter square. Rho is charge density. Okay, charge density. What is the unit? Coulomb per meter cube. What is the B? Magnetic induction. Okay, magnetic induction Weber per meter square. What is the E? Magnetic field intensity. What is the unit? Volt per meter. H என்றது magnetic field intensity. So what is the unit? Then Ampere per meter cube. Okay, so about 4 fundamental equation we have to by using Gauss law in electrostatic, then Gauss law in magnetostatic, and Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, and modification of Ampere's law. So then we have to define the D is the electric displacement, then rho is the charge density, then B is the magnetic induction, then E is the magnetic field intensity, and H is the magnetic field. Okay, so we have already discussed B. H என்றது என்னது? B and H are in magnetic materials. We discussed in the last classes. Okay, அப்போ D is the displacement. Okay, these are all the 4 fundamental equations. Okay, so in the next classes we have to discuss about physical significance of Maxwell equations. Okay, I hope to understand this video. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please give your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share, and also comment this video. So thank you for listening, friends. So once again, I hope you understand this video, and also it should be useful for everyone for preparing the exams. Okay, we have to meet in the next video. Okay, thank you, friends.